Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best screen rolling tool is probably one of the most essential gadgets for anyone who frequently works with screens, whether it's for DIY repairs, professional installations, or even just routine maintenance. This innovative device simplifies the often tedious and delicate process of applying screen protectors, films, or even vinyl wraps, ensuring a smooth, bubble-free finish every time. Its precision engineering allows for perfect alignment and even pressure distribution, minimizing the risk of damage to the screen itself and guaranteeing a professional-looking result that enhances the usability and aesthetics of your devices. Investing in a quality screen rolling tool can save you time, frustration, and money in the long run, making it a must-have accessory for tech enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 5. King&Charles Screen Roller Tool. Crafted with a solid wood handle and durable double carbon steel bearing wheels, this tool is built to last. Its robust construction ensures it can handle various window and door screen replacements. This set includes two types of wheels, cams and recessed rollers, designed to make your screen installation faster and more efficient. It's a compact and reliable helper for any home screen repair. Make screen installation a breeze with this essential tool. Its comfortable grip and smooth rolling wheels allow you to easily press the screen and spline into the frame, adding great value to your repair jobs. Designed with your comfort in mind, the wooden handle offers an ergonomic grip. The smooth steel wheels and sharp hooks make it easy to work with, even on older screens. Featuring both convex and concave steel rollers, this tool is versatile for any screen replacement need. The combination of round and grooved edges ensures a perfect fit every time. What we like. This tool boasts a robust construction with a solid wood handle and durable carbon steel bearing wheels. Its dual-action convex and concave rollers are designed for efficient screen installation. If you're looking for a reliable and long-lasting tool for frequent screen repairs or installations, this one offers excellent durability and performance. What people say. The screen rolling tool is a game-changer for screen repair, making the process significantly easier and faster. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, reducing hand strain during prolonged use. The tool's precision rolling mechanism allows for a clean and professional finish, preventing wrinkles and bubbles in the screen. Number 4. Primeline MP7503 Screen Rolling Tool. Introducing the Primeline MP7503 Screen Rolling Tool, designed for efficient screen repairs. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Equipped with smooth nylon wheels, this tool glides easily over screen material. It's perfect for achieving a professional finish every time. This tool is engineered to work with spline sizes ranging from 0.115 to 0.165 inches. It offers versatility for various screen repair needs. The ergonomic plastic handle provides a comfortable grip during use. This allows for better control and reduces hand fatigue. Featuring a 1 to 5/8-inch concave roller, it precisely fits into the screen channel. This ensures the spline is securely set in place. Please refer to the provided line art for exact dimensions. Compare these measurements with your needs before making a purchase to ensure compatibility. What we like. Featuring nylon rollers, this tool is designed for gentler screen installation. Its single concave roller is effective for pushing spline into channels. If you are working with specific spline sizes and prefer a tool that minimizes potential damage to finer mesh screens, this option is a good choice. What people say. This plastic tool worked so much better than the metal one you get at Home Depot. And it's much cheaper than the metal one. This plastic one has a wider concave wheel than the metal version. Works just as well as a metal one. Probably safer in not damaging the screen rubber. If you are replacing a screen, this is a must-have. Simple, perfect, easy to use. Number 3. Screen Door Tool Kit, 20 pieces. Introducing your new go-to for screen repair. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a DIY beginner, these quality tools make any screen job easier. Achieve maximum efficiency with this roller tool. Its dual rollers, convex and concave, help you finish the job faster and better, all with a comfortable grip. This kit has everything you need for screen installation and repair. It includes installer clips, a spline rolling tool, and a removal hook for all your window and door screen needs. Save time and effort with these flexible installer clips. Made from durable stainless steel, they help you align and keep screens tight with ease. These tools are suitable for a wide range of applications. Use them for window screens, sliding doors, RV screens, and even aquarium stands. Crafted from durable stainless steel, the removal hook ensures even the toughest jobs are handled with ease. Its plastic handle provides a comfortable grip. What we like. This option provides a comprehensive solution, including not just a rolling tool but also installer clips and a removal hook. The combination of a dual roller tool and helpful accessories makes screen repair more efficient. If you're undertaking a full screen replacement project and want all the necessary tools in one package, this kit is ideal. What people say. The screen clips make installation much easier. The pieces to hold the screen in place is a must if you are working by yourself. The edges are smooth and rounded on the sides that prevents inadvertent tears in the screen edge. The rolling tool seated the screen in very nicely. Number 2. Primeline P7505 Screen Rolling Tool. Introducing the Primeline P7505 Screen Rolling Tool, an essential item for anyone needing to replace window and door screens. It offers great value for both large and small repair jobs and works with most screening materials. Crafted with a sturdy wooden handle and durable steel wheels, this tool is built to last. The metal wheels resist abrasion, while the comfortable handle ensures ease of use. Make screen installation a breeze with this easy-to-use roller. Its ergonomic design and smooth rolling wheels allow for effortless insertion of screens and spline into frames. This tool features both a convex and a concave steel roller. These different wool types are designed to effectively work with various screen materials and spline types. It is designed to accommodate a wide range of vinyl screen spline sizes, from 0.115 inches up to 0.165 inches in diameter. This versatility makes it suitable for many projects. Built with high-quality steel convex and concave rollers and a comfortable wood handle, this tool combines durability with user-friendly design. What we like. This tool offers a classic and effective design with a comfortable wood handle and durable steel convex and concave wheels. It's highlighted as an economical choice that adds significant value to screen repair jobs. If you need a straightforward, reliable, and budget-friendly tool for general window and door screen installations, this is a solid pick. What people say. I love the fact that this one is metal, so it doesn't warp, bend, or break like the plastic ones can. The tool is very durable and has made the job quick and easy. Even better, there are two different sizes on the tool, one is wider and one is thinner. On the parts of the screen where the tabs are located to pull the screen out from the window, I use the thin end to really get the spline down in tight. This made it so easy. Great little tool for a lady to have in her toolbox. This tool is grippy and strong and easy to work with. Number 1. BAYTORY 3PCS Screen Tool. Introducing the BAYTORY 3P Screen Tool, designed to make your window and door screen repairs effortless. This essential kit includes everything you need for a professional finish. Our upgraded version features well-fitted nylon wheels, offering a safer alternative to steel rollers. You can trust it to repair your screens without causing any damage. This innovative tool boasts a 2-in-1 design with both convex and concave rollers. It's perfect for installing new screen mesh and retainer spline, getting the job done faster. Designed for ease of use, it fits comfortably in your hand. The wheels turn smoothly, allowing you to effortlessly roll screens and spines into place. Crafted with a carbon steel bearing core for smooth rotation, it also features rust-proof electroplating and a first-grade wooden handle with a varnish finish for durability. The set includes a specialized hook to easily remove old spline and rollers to install new screen mesh. It's a must-have for any screen installation project. What we like. This upgraded tool features nylon bearing wheels, which are noted for being safer for screens compared to steel. It also includes a removal hook for added convenience. If you prioritize a smoother, safer rolling experience and appreciate the inclusion of a tool to remove old spline, this option is worth considering. What people say. These are quality rollers, very sturdy and a good bearing in them. This is an easy solution for repairing your own screens. It works extremely well and makes installation super easy. The tools were absolutely essential. The curved pick was totally necessary to pry the spline out of the corner of the frame, get the netting out of the groove and dig out the base of the broken tab. The plastic wheel was perfect for pressing the netting and spline back into the groove of the screen. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.